Hey there, my name is Mike Jones and I'm the owner of Riverview Turfworks. I'd like to take a couple of minutes and first of all, thank you so much for checking out the website. But mainly, I'd like to go over the business's journey with you, starting from the very beginning. So several years ago, I had some, let's say, not very pleasant experiences with a few local lawn care businesses. That prompted me to search for some referrals. However, after talking with friends and family, it became apparent that all of us kind of had the same bad experiences. That was bad communication. It's kind of hard to get somebody to answer the phone. Seemed like nobody would keep a schedule. They would seemingly show up at random. And when they would show up, you'd look out your backyard you'd look into your backyard through the window, you'd see somebody wearing baseball shorts, a wife beater, throwing a cigarette butt in your yard. On top of all that, they wanted you to sign a yearly contract to mow your grass. I don't think that wanting a respectable and dependable lawn service is too much to ask for. So at the time, I thought I could bring a huge value to people by fixing a long list of shortcomings that are common with the average Joe business out there. So what I did was I sat down and I made a list of how I could fix your problems and make your life a whole lot easier. As it turns out, it worked. Our clients are very happy with our service, and here's the kicker. They aren't only happy with the finished product, they're blown away with our customer service. I know that is a fact because they tell me. Whether it be tips, emails, free tickets, or handwritten notes, I hear every single bit of it. The amount of people who tell me they are impressed with our customer service is just simply remarkable. It's the biggest morale boost that we could ever receive. I promise to provide you with a respectable and dependable home service business, one you can trust to be on your property and proud to use. We are constantly trying to better ourselves and provide you with a higher quality service. That means we have good communication, and if you're on a mowing route, you may think it's too good at sometimes. That's because you'll receive a text message and an email if the service is postponed. And during the spring, we have to send those out a lot due to the rainy weather. We do our best to answer every phone call, and I can assure you that if your call is not answered during normal business hours, it's going to be because we are busy helping somebody exactly like you. We will return your call as soon as possible, I guarantee it. Not only that, we will keep a schedule. As long as there isn't a weather delay, you can count on us to be there as expected. If there is a weather delay, we will communicate that with you. For me, this is a big one. We all wear uniforms, just like the one that I have on here. And all of our trucks have logos on them. You hear a thud in your yard, you look out the window, you'll see a Riverview Turfworks truck out on the street, and you'll have the peace of mind that it isn't something to worry about. Lastly, we don't do year-long mowing contracts. I hate those. I don't want to sign them, and I know you don't either. So if you move, or if you decide you want to start mowing yourself, no big deal. Go for it. Business is good. However, it hasn't been without its struggles. A few years ago, I broke my ankle. It almost took an entire year to completely heal from that damage. It was definitely a devastating injury for me. However, I was able to recover and get the business back on track. Fast forward to now, I'm recording this in early 2023. Last year, the business doubled in size. This year, we've already sold so much to where we're going to at least triple in size for 2023. It started out solely as a mowing business. We are still offering mowing, but have also expanded to mulch installs, shrub trimming, landscape lighting installs, and sod installation. I look forward to working with you and helping make your life better. All you need to do is click that little box up at the top of our homepage that says free estimate. Somebody will be in contact with you shortly. Thank you so much and have a great day.